We are all connected. This isn't just a cute saying or a feel-good mantra. It's a profound truth that can transform your life. If you really understand it, it can bring lasting inner peace and joy. But here's the catch. It is not some far-out Eastern philosophy that is completely removed from daily life. No, it's incredibly practical. It has real-world benefits that you can experience right now. If you let it, this realization will make you feel less alone, and the inner conflicts you might be facing and stop you from judging yourself and others. Instead of pushing people away, you'll be drawn to them. You'll find yourself being kinder, more compassionate, and full of empathy. And when things get tough, you'll have a much deeper well of strength and resilience to draw upon. Let me say it again. This isn't some abstract, dusty old teaching that's only good for those who've left the rat race. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to improve their life and better connect with others. It's about recognizing that the separation we feel, the division between me and you, is just an illusion. We're all part of the same web of existence. We're all connected. So here's the deal. When you realize this, when you truly understand and accept it, it's like taking off your sunglasses after seeing the world through rose-colored lenses. Everything changes. You see the world and your place in it in a completely different way. You realize that you're not this tiny isolated island, but rather a part of a vast and intricate web of life. And once you see the web, you understand that everything you do affects it, and everything that happens within the web affects you. It sounds kind of heavy, but it's actually incredibly liberating. See, when you think you're separate, you tend to act in ways that harm both yourself and others. But when you realize that your actions affect the whole web, you become much more mindful of how you interact with the world. It's a big part of why non-duality leads to lasting inner peace. You might be thinking, okay, this is great, but how do I actually apply this in my everyday life? Well, here's a simple practice. Just observe everything around you with a sense of wonder and appreciation. Notice the intricate details, the connections, and the patterns. Take a moment to appreciate the web of life that surrounds you. This could be as simple as sitting in a park and really taking in the beauty of nature, or watching the interactions between people and animals. Another way to apply non-duality in your daily life is to recognize the interconnectedness of everything. For example, when someone does something nice for you, instead of just saying thank you and moving on, take a moment to really appreciate the impact of their actions. Realize that their kindness is creating ripples of positivity that extend far beyond the immediate situation. In the same way, when you interact with others, whether it's a barista, a waiter, or a friend, remember that your actions affect not just them, but the web of life that connects us all. A little kindness, a little love, a little compassion can go a long way. In fact, it's impossible to overstate the importance of this realization. When you understand non-separation, you'll find that it affects every aspect of your life, from the way you treat yourself to the way you interact with the world around you. It's a profound shift in perspective that can lead to greater peace, happiness, and fulfillment. As the wise non-dual teacher Nisargadatta Maharaj once said, when you realize your true nature, you are free. So don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself. Start with small steps like paying attention to the world around you and appreciating the interconnectedness of everything. And then watch how these small steps can lead to profound transformations in your life and in the lives of those around you. Remember, we're all connected. Our actions, our thoughts, our emotions, they all ripple out and affect the world in ways we can't fully comprehend. So, why not use this understanding to create more good in the world, to be a force for positivity and love, and to live a life that reflects the interconnectedness of all things? Because in doing so, you'll not only transform the world, but also yourself. Thanks for watching, and please share your thoughts and experiences with non-duality in the comments below. Who knows? You might just inspire someone else on their journey towards inner peace and understanding.